Imagine I run a lab with around 50 scientists. And we have the COVID crisis right now, and they are unable to come from morning 9 to 5. That's my office timings. The timings of my lab is from 9 to 5. So what I do is I ask them to come in 2 shifts. Shift 1 is from 9 to 1. Shift 2 is from 2 to 6. So either come in the morning or in the evening. Then I create a rooster for them to come. I have 50 employees, as I said. They all are scientists. I put the first 25, alphabetically speaking, in the morning, and the next 25, alphabetically, in the afternoon. And after roughly a week's time, I get a complaint. They all say that, look, we are scientists. You cannot segregate us like this. We want to collaborate with each other. You're putting 25 people into one bucket, 25 into the other, and nobody from this bucket ever gets to meet anyone here live, physically. Of course, they can always call each other or have a online Skype call or Zoom call or whatever, and then talk to each other, but then they cannot meet physically, and this is not fair. Right? They say you mix and match in such a way that everybody gets to meet everyone else. Of course, 25 people per batch, 9 to 1 is 25 people, 2 to 6 is 25 people, but then every day you create a schedule for individual people in such a way that they don't end up missing someone for a longer time. So mathematically speaking, you look at 50 people, you look at all possible pairs there are 50 choose 2 pairs, as you understand, and then none of these pairs should have an upper hand over other pairs, in the sense that over a period of time, they all should meet each other equiprobably, meaning both of them should be there the same number of times than others. You cannot put John and Peter together more often than, let's say, Sam and Jim. Right? Sam and Jim should not be less frequently meeting than, let's say, John and Peter. Right? How do you come out with an algorithm such that you create a schedule for these 50 people and give them for the next 1,000 days, let's say, in such a way that no 2 people end up being in the same batch like forever. No two pairs, one pair should be meeting more, other pair meets less, is not allowed. So let's start thinking, what if you were to schedule, this is more of a scheduling algorithm, if you have noted already, that you're trying to see if you can schedule, assign a person a schedule for the next 1,000 days and do that for every other person, 50 people, ensuring that 2 people getting together is equiprobable. Right? How do we do this? No matter if you do it in a very algorithmic way, in a routine way, you will definitely end up having some 2 people meeting more often than the other 2 people. Alright? So how do you do this? You should explain the algorithm, also give us a proof of concept, the proof that the program works, the proof of correctness rather.